guys, so we have unlocked the Balloon Master Alchemist. So let's see if it's stronger than my Century Champion. Okay, no, wrong one. Moab. Okay, this guy. Okay. Yeah, can do good. Okay, wait. Yep. Okay, I get it. You're strong. ZOMG. I don't know. Okay. Oh, maybe, I don't know. It's a close one. Oh, yeah, he can. Go to part 2 to see which one is stronger. And deal with a Moab, right? Unfortunately, he could not. Okay, our next contestant. The Moab. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. That just got... Oh, there's 2. Dude. His OMG. There is no way he just dealt with a ZOMG and just one little potion. If he deals with the Mad... Oh my gosh. If he actually does it... What's his range? Oh, not the best. Okay, but seriously, how? In the meantime, spawn ZOMGs. Oh my gosh. Fortunately, he couldn't deal with the M. I think the Alchemist won, but let me know in the comments.